So I talked to my people today. They went to the grocery store, said everything was gone. I'm not kidding.
Well, I'll tell you, we talked earlier about how you can hardly find a parking spot at Costco. That's no different than any other day. Yeah. Every time I go to Costco, there's a ton of people there.
Yeah, there was a lot more people out today. I mean, parking lots was packed, gas lines were packed.
Wait until tomorrow.
I know.
Seriously, tomorrow.
These are the people who kind of got to jump on things.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be crazy too. And then I think even, because most of Friday's just rain.
Yeah.
Certainly Friday morning is, but I think it's going to be really busy. Then I think everybody's going to be socked in for the weekend. I really do. Yeah. And the activities that haven't been canceled yet, and that's okay because it's just Wednesday, I believe they will be. I don't see the kids or having any activities Saturday or Sunday.
Okay.
And I do think there's a possibility that school will be canceled on Monday morning.
Wow.
Oh. Now, we're looking at wind chills Sunday morning and Monday morning that are going to be below zero.
All right.
Wow.
So we have an extreme cold watch in effect for all of North Texas, and we have that winter weather watch in effect for all of North Texas.
So we have a Cub Scouts meeting Sunday afternoon, and the den leader was going to make the call on Saturday.
Well, you can make bad decisions like that. Wait till Saturday.
So
but
if
I were making the decision, knowing what I know, I would wait until Friday. What's it matter?
Okay.
But I wouldn't wait until Saturday. But it's not like this is a life or death meeting, Cynthia. You can wait until Saturday morning to cancel it.
It is for Henry. We're going to learn how to start a fire. Okay.
Well, that's important. That could be life or death. Let me show you this. So there we are. There's the winter storm watch. It's a Friday afternoon through Sunday morning, and we've been talking about this since Sunday. Accumulating. I had somebody say it was on Twitter or Facebook. They said, I wish you'd start talking about this. I'm like, listen, I'm wearing myself out. I've been talking about this. We've been talking about this since Sunday. It's not like this just started. But accumulating freezing sleet and freezing rain, sleet and snow, bridges, overpasses, power outages, all a possibility. And here's this extreme cold watch. Saturday evening through Monday morning, wind chills of 5 to 10 degrees below zero. Hope you enjoyed the 66 today. The morning low was 50, 57 and 36 are the normals. We've been as warm as 79. Still beautiful outside. It's 59 with a north wind at 7. Pollen today, mountain cedar, it was moderate yesterday. It's jumped back up today. It's high and fungus is low. Here's one thing we have going for us, the ground temperatures right now. Okay, so once the freezing rain and the sleet starts Friday evening, it's not going to immediately freeze things up, okay? Because the ground temperatures across most of Dallas-Fort Worth at least are in the 50s. The southern part of the Metroplex and south, the ground temps are in the 60s. So we have that going for us. We hit 66 today, high tomorrow's 60 degrees. So again, it's not like this is going to happen immediately, but once it starts, I do want you to, get home and get to a safe location where you're just not out driving around on the roads, the bridges and overpasses. It's clear out there right now. We cloud up tonight. It's cloudy, a lot of clouds tomorrow, maybe a peak of sun. Here's 7 in the morning Friday. That's rain. The green is rain. Friday at 7 p.m. This is the wintry mix. That's rain. Here's midnight, okay? It's more sleet and freezing rain, freezing drizzle in these areas. And then as we head through sunrise on Saturday, that's all freezing rain and sleet. We could have a lot of sleet around here. And there's Saturday at noon. Freezing rain, sleet, rain. Here's Saturday night, 7 p.m. Still happening. There's midnight Saturday night. That's snow, freezing rain, and sleet. Then by Sunday morning, still have some flurries and some snow showers around, but as we head through Sunday afternoon, we definitely do dry out. So here's the story. How many hours at or below freezing? We dropped the freezing Friday night around 11 o'clock, Friday night, 11 p.m. Friday. Saturday's high is 27. Sunday's high is 22. Monday, we hit 33 degrees. That's my high on Monday's 33. So we'll be at or below freezing for 65 hours. It's not a record. The record is ridiculous. That was back in 1983. We had 295 hours at or below freezing. 5 years ago, February 5 years ago, 2021, remember that? Of course, how could if we lived here, you're never going to forget it. 139 hours at or below freezing. So this event will be about half the event of 2021, and hopefully we don't have the widespread outages that we had 5 years ago in February. Now, how much will we pick up? I believe from the sleet, snow, and the freezing rain, I believe we have the potential to see several inches. At a minimum, we're looking at a glaze, a coating of ice. We could see even more than that of the ice. We could see an inch or two of sleet, and we could see an inch or two of snow. It's going to be a mixed bag, and these precip totals are always hard this far in advance to forecast, but we'll certainly do our best as we head through the next several days. But accumulations are likely, and some of them could be somewhat significant. Remember that I used the word significant, okay? 43 is the low tonight. There's the 60 during the day tomorrow. It's dry tonight, it's dry tomorrow, and then things just go downhill after that. Friday, 48. That's 7 in the morning. Temperatures fall throughout the day Friday. We hit freezing in the Metroplex Friday evening. Saturday, we start at 22. We warm to 27. Sunday, we start at 11. We warm only to 22. Monday, we start at 10. Anything that happens here precip-wise, it's not going away until Monday afternoon. That's why I have a high confidence level. The kids aren't going to school on Monday, okay? 33 degrees on Monday, 45 on Tuesday, still in the 40s Wednesday, the final 7 of the 14 days, 40s and 50s after that. So it's a quick but a significant blast of Arctic air and some frozen precip, but it's here and gone, Joe, in just a couple of days.